Hi everyone, coming to you with our Mindset series. Today I want to talk about picking the right partners in this industry. It is very challenging in these times that we are living in to pick partners that you can trust and have the same mission and values as you do. It's really important to have those lines of open communication, knowing that things will shift, things will change within the goals of the partnership, and being able to have that open line of real communication has never been more important. We have a lot of choices in this business, and we have a lot of things we can't choose. So I know one for sure for us in 2024 is going to make sure that we are picking the right partners and continuing the right partnerships. Thanks so much for your partnership. We'll see you in the new year.